Hi, my name is Joanna, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Sillbird robot. This is our second set that we built, and we had a really good time putting it together. So if you're into robots or building sets, then stay tuned. This might be for you. This is a 5-in-1 buildable set, meaning you can put together different designs like a T-Rex, a motorcycle, and more. It comes with 646 pieces, and the instructions are really easy to follow. We sat down as a family, and honestly, that's one of the best parts, is getting to build it together and seeing it come to life. If you're wondering, the kit comes with everything you need, including a rechargeable battery for the robot, so you don't have to keep replacing batteries. Now that it's all built, let's see the fun part. One of the coolest features is that the robot's eyes actually change expressions while you play, which makes it feel really interactive. You can control the robot using the included remote control, or you can take it up a notch and use the Bluetooth app, which lets you program different moves. And this part is my favorite part. It actually has a mist spray feature. Just press the button and it releases a mist, which makes it feel even more like a real dragon robot. So overall, this was a lot of fun to build and play with. It's a great hands-on activity for kids and families, especially if your kids love STEM toys. If you're looking for a fun and creative gift, this might be something worth checking out. I definitely recommend it.